The eggs. Oh, you found one? Put it in your bucket. Oh, be careful.
Oh.
Look at you. You found how many eggs so far? How many eggs?
One to eat.
1, 2 eggs. Keep going. There's more. There's more. You gotta look. Look by the TV, maybe. Good job. Set it in gently. Look by the TV again, maybe. You're good. Yeah, you want me to open it? See what he brought you inside that?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Brought you candy. Oh, let's find more eggs. Let's look around. Let's get up and look. Oh, I want the candy. All right. Let's keep finding eggs. I think there might be some over. Look over here. Did you find another egg?
Yeah.
Easter Bunny ain't fooling you, huh?